In this video, we are going to be analysing Rumble ticker RUM. So to get straight into it, what are going to be those key support levels if we continue down? And do note, these are technical analysis, and especially usually we do analysis on the large caps, and you're looking at the fundamentals, the technicals, and you can get some good trade ideas. On these kind of stocks, we only be looking at the day trade, so usually technicals will be more of the driver. Because you'll probably see some sort of rumour come out on these stocks, or just hype come in from somewhere like Wall Street Bets. They'll get the momentum, and then you can start seeing what are usually good levels to be entering pullbacks to play the momentum, or where you think the stock's most likely going to start reversing or pulling back and trading those levels. So that's kind of what these levels are more used for on this kind of small cap stock. So if we continue to fall in price as we have been doing the last few days, we're really paying attention to that $8 and $7.50. These are our first deviation on both the 6-month and the 1-year chart. Yes, this stock hasn't been out for 6 months or a year yet, but these levels are usually stronger than using the shorter term time frame, so they're still the main ones we'll be paying attention to. So $8, $7 and $7.50 ones we're paying attention to. But again, do be cautious on this kind of stock. Usually you can, or sometimes depending on the stock, we'll just place a limit, have a tight stop and wait for the bounce. On this kind of stock, does seem very weak, so if you're looking to play the long bias plays like the $8 or the $7.50, usually we would want some sort of confirmation. And what would that mean? Really, all it means is we come down to this level. You want to see a candle not close below the $8, and then if it can hold that level, usually on at least a minimum of 5 minute, then when you break the candle high, look to play it long. And again, yes, you're taking on a bit more risk because you're waiting for that confirmation, but on this kind of stock that's been selling off so harshly, you usually want that bit of extra confirmation even if you do have to take on that added risk. Then if we did continue lower down, we're looking at 640, 570, 475, 386, $3 and $2 as final levels. Again, really those ones really below the $6 probably isn't all that likely within the next week or two. So really the key focus is, can we hold the $8 and the $7.50? Because if not, then we do expect quite a sharp sell-off, because we will be looking at $7.50 down to $6.40, around a 15% sell-off. Definitely some opportunities to be made in those longer moves, but if we can hold this $8 or the $7.50, again, that can provide some sort of good opportunities, because we would be looking for a trade back to its statistical mean at around 940, which we can see off the closer level of 8. That still provides around an 18% upside. Obviously, take off a few percent for waiting for that confirmation, but there's still definitely some upside if you're looking to day trade this stock long. Now, if we break that and did continue up, we would be looking at 11.30, 11.10. and kind of $13. Now, yes, there is levels above, but really I don't think we're going to break that 950 anytime soon, or at least in the next week or so. So really I would be paying attention to more the supports, trying to catch that reversal, playing it to the statistical mean. But obviously do be risk managing these trades. These stocks can sell off harshly. Make sure you have your stops as soon as you get in the trade if you are trading it. But just to note, I will not be trading this stock myself. I don't really trade small caps all that much myself. It's usually just people asking in the comments to have these stocks analysed. My main focus is on large caps, just in case you thought I had any bias or whatever towards these stocks. It doesn't affect me if you buy, sell the stock, whatever you do with it. Again, I have no position in it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out one of these 2 analysis videos.